my name is Megha and in this video I am back with a new word which is eye candy. Eye candy. It means someone or something that is attractive but not very interesting or useful. ऐसा कोई पर्सन या ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो देखने में तो अट्रैक्टिव हो लेकिन इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग या यूज़फुल ना हो. Now let's see some examples. The first example is most of the images on the website are not more than eye candy. वेबसाइट पर ज़्यादातर इमेजेस आई कैंडी से ज़्यादा और कुछ नहीं है, जो अट्रैक्टिव तो है पर यूज़फुल नहीं है. The second example is those shoes were eye candy only as I couldn't walk in them. वो जूते सिर्फ अट्रैक्टिव ही थे, सुंदर ही थे, क्योंकि मैं उनमें ठीक से चल नहीं पाया. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Now make a sentence using this word and start using it in your daily conversation.